Hey, how y'all doing? We're gonna do something real quick and easy this morning. Make some steaks, a little potatoes and some eggs. We're gonna rinse these off real quick. Oh yeah. All right. Rinse them off. It's gonna be pretty good. You know me and my lottery seasoning. It's gonna be a nice, quick and easy video. Something quick and easy. A little onion powder, a little flavor. You don't want to make them too salty. They ain't like pork chops frying. A little garlic. You know, ain't that right without you slap your mama. You know, slap your mama on. And a little pre-roll for a little tang. What I like to do is just take my fork and chop them up a little bit so I can get some flavor on the inside of the steaks. So I just chop them up. We'll flip them, put them on here, and then we'll do the same thing to the other side. We're gonna see how these turn out today, ladies and gentlemen. And it's an air fryer. I usually fry them on the stove or put them in the oven, but being lazy today, being real lazy, something quick and easy. We got all these equipments over here, and we don't never use them. I figured today we'll let the machine do the talking, and I'll do the eating. And we'll season them up a little bit, just so that we get on the inside. This big one here, that's gonna be mine, guys. We give her the lady to deliver. What we do, we don't need that tray. We just use one tray today. We'll set these up here. We'll close it up. And the settings here has fish, pizza. We're gonna put it on steak, see what happens. 15 minutes, cut the light on. We'll let it see what happens. And we'll be back to you guys in a few minutes. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna clean up, put me some eggs on, make a few potatoes, and give it about 15 minutes. We probably in 10 minutes, I'm gonna open them up, flip them over to get both sides done pretty good. We'll take a look at them. So you guys make sure you subscribe, like, and share. That's what she told me to say. And we'll be back. Peace. All right, guys, it's been about 7 minutes. I just want to take a peek. I want to turn these just to make sure they don't cook too much on one side. Ooh, they're looking good, guys. They're looking good. Oh, yeah. Gonna be quick. Made a little mess, but it'll be okay. All right, we're gonna give it another 7 minutes. Then we're going to add the other stuff with it. We'll show you in a minute. Subscribe, share, like. Be back. Peace. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how this turned out. Let's see how well this air fryer works on making steaks. We're going to take a test. I want to drip a little juice down. Ooh wee! Look at that there. My God. Ooh wee! As you can see, I made a little potatoes. My wife made the potatoes. I put some eggs with it. And put one down on here like this. You know what I'm gonna do? ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna let my wife be the first one to taste it, so she can see how it tastes. Go ahead, baby, do your thing.
Which one is my plate?
That little one right there in the front.
This little one?
Yeah, that's yours. She like A1 sauce. My steaks are good. They don't need A1 sauce, but she like it. So let's see how this turns out here. Air fryer steaks, ladies and gentlemen. Less than 20 minutes.
I like mine well done. Well done. Hot.
Look on that face. You can't beat it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do steaks in the air fryer with some little potatoes and eggs on the side. And she'll be closing us out and we get ready to eat.
It's good. It's tender. Yeah. It's good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. And hey, it is what it is. It's good.
Wish y'all could be here to watch us eat, but see you later. Peace.